Greetings from LISSDA, the Laboratory for Interdisciplinary Statistical Analysis at the University of Colorado Boulder. I extend my greetings to all of you in attendance and the faculty and administrators, also my good friend Dr. Awe and Dean Fatoum. I wish I could be here in person to hand out the certificates of achievement that you all will receive for attending this wonderful workshop. But I'm unable to travel to Nigeria at this time. I do hope to be in Nigeria, and specifically at Anchor University in the future, as I hope to see Anchor University Laboratory for Interdisciplinary Statistical Science and Data Analysis grow to become one of the shining stars of the LISSDA 2020 network. Now, the LISSDA 2020 program is a program to create statistical collaboration laboratories in developing countries, at least 20 of them by the year 2020. And our goal is to enable and accelerate research so that researchers and businesses and policymakers can apply statistics and data analysis to help the people of Nigeria and to help the aid in the country's development. We believe that every researcher could benefit by collaborating with statisticians and data scientists, because in most fields, modern research and modern journals require high-quality statistical analysis. So I encourage you to continue to support Anchor University and the Anchor University Laboratory for Interdisciplinary Statistical Science and Data Analysis in their efforts to become a top-notch modern university to create research and decisions based on statistics and data analysis that will help the people of Nigeria move forward. So once again, congratulations on finishing this workshop, and I hope to see you again in the future.